So Walmart is swapping out its price tags, like all of them, and people have thoughts about it. Here's what's happening. About 2,300 Walmart stores already have these electronic shelf labels, basically little digital screens instead of paper tags. And Walmart just said it wants them in every single store within the next year. The reason they're giving? It's just way more efficient. Updating paper tags store-wide can take a worker 2 full days. With the digital ones, you can do the whole store in minutes. And honestly, there's more to it than just prices. These tags have little LED lights built in. So when a worker needs to restock something or grab an item for a pickup order, the tag just flashes at them. No hunting around. That's actually pretty useful, especially as Walmart keeps growing its delivery and curbside business. But here's where it gets interesting. A lot of people heard digital price tags that update in minutes and immediately thought surge pricing. Like, are they going to jack up the price of eggs on a Sunday afternoon? Walmart says no. They say price changes are approved by real people, happen mostly overnight, and every customer in the store pays the same price. No demand-based, time-of-day stuff. But lawmakers aren't just taking their word for it. 2 senators introduced a bill in February to ban what they're calling surveillance pricing in grocery stores. New Jersey is going even further. They want a law that straight up prevents retailers from connecting these tags to any kind of dynamic pricing. So the short version is, Walmart says, this is a boring efficiency upgrade. Critics say the potential for price manipulation is reason enough to pump the brakes. Either way, these tags are spreading fast, and the rules around them are still being written. If you want to keep up with stories like this, subscribe. New videos